In this wood story, I'm building a drill press table with T-track. I started by cutting my plywood to size before routering the grooves for the T-track. I used my jigsaw to cut a half circle that will wrap around the base of the drill table. I installed the T-track and then I made 2 flexible fences that will ride in the T-track with bolts. I gave it a coat of paint and several coats of shellac, and just like that, this drill press table was ready to be used. If you want to build your own, then check out the full video here.